Imagine a camera that gives you a new perspective. Imagine a camera that follows you. Imagine a camera that sets you free. Introducing Nixie, the wearable camera that flies on command. Nixie is the first wearable and flyable camera that you carry on your wrist like a watch. Unfold the flexible bands, and Nixie is ready for takeoff. Nixie is for anyone who wants to capture and share a new perspective on their adventures. Nixie, set your camera free.
Like any pet owner, we worry about our buds when we leave for the day. That's where Pepe comes in, so you can keep the fun going and going. Use the app to drive it remotely, to interact with your pet even when you're not there. With a frame made from durable polycarbonate, Pepe can go anywhere. Slobber? No problem. Not even a scratch. Using the motion sensor collar, Pepe is able to track your dog's activity and give you vital information about her mobility and health in the palm of your hand. And when you're done playing, just place Pepe in its wireless charging bay, and it plugs itself in. Pepe was designed to be a powerful, customizable tool for pet owners on the go who still want to be actively engaged with their pets and stay on top of their pet's health. Pepe comes equipped with a wide-angle camera to capture every moment in glorious, stabilized HD, easily share footage on social media, and keep your pet guessing with built-in lasers that pets will love.
We are working very hard to bring Pepe to market, and with your support, we can make Pepe even better.
Our developers are crafting a frame that is even stronger, electronics that are more robust, and a battery life that lasts all day.
With your support, we give pet owners worldwide a new way to connect and more fun at playtime.
Please support us on Kickstarter to bring Pepe into your home.
Pepe, wanna play?
This is Tim. Tim has a new device, a button with a fingerprint sensor that turns his hand into a remote control. It's called TapDo, and it makes Tim's life a lot easier. Hey Tim, you're back. Oh, who are you?
Hi, we're the team behind TapDo, a startup company from Germany. We love technology, especially technology that makes our lives easier. That's why we've come up with a solution that lets you control smart devices and apps with a simple press of a button. TapDo.
TapDo is a button with an integrated fingerprint sensor. It can recognize with which part of your hand you're touching it. TapDo connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth Low Energy. Once you've downloaded the app from Google Play or from the App Store, you can choose which part of your hand should trigger which action. For example, you can assign a different app to each finger and thereby create easy shortcuts for yourself. TapDo becomes your shortcut for almost everything. You can leave your phone in your pocket. You can wear your TapDo on your wrist or attach it to anything with a clip. Whatever you may end up deciding, your TapDo will respond to you without you even looking at it. Something that may help you in the dark or amidst traffic. Your TapDo can even save you from embarrassing situations. And you can use it for security-related purposes. When you receive your TapDo, you'll already be able to execute a variety of actions. These include music player, video player, catch a song, mute my phone, find my phone, track my position, order a pizza, call a taxi, time tracking, fake call, smart light, smart heating, smart plugs, and IFTTT. We will add many more actions to your TapDo in the future. For developers, we are providing an open API so that you can easily connect your systems and services to TapDo.
We're a team of passionate computer scientists, physicists, and designers.
We've been working on TapDo for more than 1 year now. On our journey, we have developed and tested several prototypes. The Android app is ready and we are currently working on the iOS version. This January, we proudly presented TapDo at CES in Las Vegas. And now, we need your help. With your support, we can kick off production and start sending out the first batch of TapDos. We count on you.
HapBeat is a device that lets you feel the music with your body. HapBeat sends vibrations along the string extending from the unit, syncing you to your music to let you feel like you were right there in the club or at the concert. You wear HapBeat by wrapping the extendable string around your body and connecting it to the unit. Your tactile senses will take off as you listen to your favorite music. The small motor unit and string combine to propagate the vibrations, not just at the string circumference, but throughout your entire body. Even powerful bass vibrations are recreated, giving you a true, full-body, live concert experience. By employing a coreless motor, we were able to reduce the weight of the driver for a high-definition resonance with nearly perfect sound synchronization. HapBeat lets you feel like you were actually at the show or in the game. Connect to your smartphone or computer for streaming video, gaming, and more. And HapBeat comes with Bluetooth, so there's no need for an external connection to your devices. HapBeat can also prevent hearing loss by reducing the burden on your ears while still packing a big punch.
HapBeat derives from the study of haptics using motor and string to transmit vibration. Its vibroacoustic effect is proved scientifically and highly evaluated by a lot of haptic professionals. I strongly believe that there are no substitutes for HapBeat. I'm very looking forward to see everyone surprised by using HapBeat.
Listen with your body. HapBeat puts you there, anytime, anywhere. Make your everyday listening a new experience in sound.
Many golfers work very hard to improve their driving distance and their putting, but a lot of people find it difficult to practice their golf swings indoors. Nevertheless, they never give up on their swinging practice. Some they turn even to a golf swinging trainer, which allows them to swing more safely. But swinging training becomes boring after a while, and people, well, they just give up on that too. Now we got a new device that can help you improve your golf swings more efficiently. It's PyGolf. PyGolf is an indoor golf simulator that can be used at your home and work. Its game-like simulator environment helps you to concentrate on your swings. Just like playing a game, you can be immersed in your swings and concentrate on your practice for a longer period. FiGolf recognizes your actual swing motion and sends the data to your smartphone, which is connected through Bluetooth. This data includes your driving distance, club speed, and tempo. The simulator recreates your swing in 3D, and you can correct your swing, studying the angles and trajectory. If you're tired of practicing alone, you can compete with others on the network game mode. You can also join a tournament with other FiGolf users and check your skills. The golf maps in this game mode are identical to the actual golf courses, and you can practice before you go on to the real field. FiGolf's sophisticated swing analysis will help you improve your swing dramatically.
That's awesome, man.
FiGolf, wonderful device passionate golfers like you must have. Enjoy golf at home. FiGolf, that's all you need.